See what's going on behind me. Today is truss day. We are going to be setting all these trusses today. Just stay with me here, and we're going to go through the process. Okay, as you see, they're doing 3 at a time. He has these spaced out with 2x4 blocks, and each one of those chains has a little hook on it. He just takes the hook, hooks them to the top of the truss, give the signal, crane guy, the crane lifts up the truss, and over here he has a chain tied to the end so he can control it from swinging. You see behind me, everything is moving along great. We're getting ready to put this gable end on this end right here, and then we are going to start with the back of the pole and then finish on the porch. Okay, all the trusses are up. Stay tuned for the next update. Hopefully we are under roof and dried in.